Hi guys, and this is a new video about the TikTok application. Today we will show you how to use freeze frame on TikTok. Of course, we will do it by using the special filter, so let's follow our steps and get access to this cool effect. So let's tap on the TikTok app and go to the Discover section to pick on the search bar. Right now we need to find the needful filter after setting the freeze frame text here on the search bar. And later we have a lot of different TikToks with this special effect, so let's pick on the first one as an example. And here we have this but inscription. After clicking on it, we will get access to this freeze frame filter. So we have two options. We can add this effect to our favorite list, to our list of favorites after clicking on the bottom at the top bar. I have removed it from my favorites because I had this filter before, but after clicking on it again, I will add this filter to my list, and I can smoothly use this effect right now after picking on the red central bottom. And right now I will show you how to use this effect, this freeze frame effect. But before, I want to remove the added sound because as an example I don't like it. So let's pick on the sound one time. Later let's tap on the cross and on the cross again. Successfully done. So right now I will use this logo as an example to show you how to freeze, how to stop our video on the needful moment. But remember that this filter, this freeze frame filter, will turn on the black and white mode on your TikTok. Let's check it. So let's create new TikTok after tapping on the red central bottom, and I need to tap on the screen to freeze our TikTok. Don't forget to choose check mark and check the results. So I freezed my video successfully, and I hope that right now you know how to smoothly use and get access to this effect. Don't forget that to save this newly created TikTok, we need to tap on the next option and choose draft or post. I will choose the second one to upload our video on the profile page. Guys, don't forget about the likes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube and also on TikTok. We have it, HardReset.Info. And guys, good luck! Bye bye!